You gotta come to Playa de las Américas. It has everything here in Tenerife. It's the place where you want to base yourself when you come to this island in the Canary Islands. I love it. Yes! I'm going back to Playa de las Américas. Getting out of Santa Cruz de la Tenerife and heading back down to the southern part of the island, the part of the island I love, and I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why you should stay in Playa de las Américas. Number 1, Playa de las Américas is well located. It's right between Los Cristianos and Costa Adeje. And from here, you can easily drive to other locations too. You can go down to Playa Amarilla, which I visited the other day. Check out that video linked in the description below. Or you can go up to Los Gigantes, check out that whole area, the beautiful beach there, and get on a ferry from there and go up to the La Masca, some of those beaches. It's a great launch pad location and also has plenty of good beaches down that way. It's great to be back in Las Américas, and that smell of ocean air, the beaches, yeah, the surfers are down there enjoying the beaches over there, and there's some more beaches down that way. We're gonna get to that, but first I need a coffee. And unfortunately here along the beach there are not that many great coffee stops, but Metropolis is my go-to spot just for its view when I'm here in Las Américas. That'll have to do. Number 2, let's talk about the services here in Las Américas, because from Los Cristianos all the way down to Playa Duque, there are plenty of well-serviced beaches. You can rent loungers if that's your thing, or you can just go on all the free beaches, because there are plenty of free beaches here along the Costa Adeje. And there are thousands of hotels, thousands of Airbnbs that are located here in Las Américas, which was built up from the 1960s. This place caters to tourism, and it has a lot of services on offer. You can go out hiking here from town. There are plenty of travel agencies that offer all sorts of activities you can do if you get tired of the beach, which I don't know why you would. From here, you can go out scuba diving, you can walk down to Los Cristianos, you can go whale watching, which is what I did the other day. Link to that down in the description below. There are plenty of beach bars, sailing trips, and surfing schools. Basically, this place caters to you. Okay, on to the next place. Number 3, the nightlife. Playa de las Américas has a great nightlife. I'm more of a morning person, but if the nightlife is your thing, this is the place. In fact, people from other towns come into Las Américas to experience the nightlife, and this is the center of it. It doesn't seem like much now, it's the daytime, but this is Las Veronicas, and this whole strip right here is the party scene. You have Revolution, Jumping Jack, Sugar Reef, down there Yordi Sports Bar. What time does this place shut down at night?
4 o'clock, my friend.
It goes until 4 o'clock, so you can party pretty late, early into the morning, and go out to the beach afterwards. It continues with Envy, Joyce, and the designated party strip ends here at the beach club. Definitely, if you want to be in the thick of the action, this is the town for you. And number 4, you guessed it, it's the beaches, and that's why you want to come to Tenerife, isn't it? It's the beaches. Well, in Playa de las Américas, there are plenty of beach options to be had. Starting from the beach down by Los Cristianos, it's a great surfing point where all the surfers hang out and surf the waves, including this super sandy beach, Playa La Troya. This sand was brought in from the Sierra Desert. It's soft, it's fine, it's what you want when you want to lay out at the beach. And the beaches continue, El Bobo, Tierra Negra. There's a beach for every type of Tenerife visitor. And number 5, well, obviously it's the weather. Here in the Canary Islands, you have great weather all year round. In the winter, now in December, you have 22 degrees, and that's fabulous. You can wear shorts and a t-shirt. But in Tenerife, you may want to pick your spots wisely, because in the south, you normally get more favorable weather because the south is protected by the Teide volcano. So it makes Playa de las Américas an ideal spot.